Hello everyone, my name is Diogo Correia and today I will demonstrate how to use the KROFtools Coolant Flush and Bleed machine.
So here we have the KROFtools Coolant Flush and Bleed machine. We're going to start with opening up the new coolant fill cap. And pour fresh coolant into the reservoir. Five liters in this case. That will change depending on your vehicle. Now onto the vehicle itself, we will remove the expansion tank cap. We select the correct adapter to use with the fill port. And use the threaded expansion mechanism to create a tight seal. We now grab the splitter to add to the system, alongside the hoses that connect to the new and old fluid tanks, as you can see here. Connecting these to the splitter. Finally, we connect the compressed air line to the machine. We are now ready to operate the system. We are going to start the process with removing old fluid from the system. We set the machine to create a vacuum and open up the valve to the old fluid container. Old fluid is being drawn. You can see the vehicle's hoses collapsing due to the vacuum as we remove the old fluid from the system. We now close the valve for the old fluid container and stop the vacuum creation, letting the pressures stabilize. We can now start creating pressure, which will allow us to feed new fluid into the system. Once fluid is all the way up to the valve, we open it, forcing new fluid to flow into the vehicle's cooling system. We can see as the expansion tank is fed with fresh fluid. can see as the vehicle's hoses are filled with fluid and return to their normal shape. As the reservoir is now full and we have filled the system, we can shut off the machine, releasing the pressure from the hoses. Finally, we can now disconnect the machine from the expansion tank and release the fill port. We can now start the engine to run the water pump and remove any last bit of air from the system to ensure we have a proper bleed.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye!